Hi, Buddhists. Welcome to day 6 of our Webflow 21-day challenge. So right now we are going to be working on the responsiveness of our website. So you can see it. So one thing I want to do right now is to reduce the container. So let me come here. I want to reduce the margin in the container. Okay, let me come here. Yep. So open a section. I want to reduce the margin in the container. Okay. Okay. Let me come here. I want to check the container here. Okay, the container does not have any margin, which is quite cool. I'm checking everything, which is quite cool. Checking the container. Okay, container is quite cool for everything here. I want to check the container here too. Container is quite cool. It's quite cool. So let's look at it on tablets. It's quite good. So let's reduce this. Let's reduce this font size. Font size of 26. Oh, quite cool. Think, yeah, font size of 26, which is quite cool. Line height. Let me reduce the line height here. So I'll just make it 1.2. Yep, it's quite good. This is okay. This is okay. So we'll work on this, the menu button. So let's see the menu button. Show. Wow, so bad. So let's work on this menu button and change the background color. So change the background color to black. Okay, let me come back here. Open. When it's open, yeah, when it's open, black. So that's quite cool. I've worked on that. So let's come to the nav link here. This nav link, let me reduce the padding top and down. Oh no, 0, margin of 0, padding top of 10, padding bottom of 10. So let me also add the background color here of black. Yeah, that's cool. So we've added the background color of black. So let's come here, nav link here, change the background to black. It's quite cool. I want to add some color here. Nav menu. Let me change the nav menu background color to black. Yep. So under this contact, then let's remove the margin bottom to 0 and the top to 0. Yeah, so everything is equal now, which is quite good. So let's scroll down and see for ourselves. Let's reduce the section. So let's reduce section to 30 for everything. It's going to reflect in everything. Yep. So section everywhere is going to be 30. which is quite okay. Yep, it's cool, 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 cool. You can see that. So let's preview this. Yep. So let's come here, and we can see that the image is looking somehow here, which I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be working on it right away. So the first thing which we are going to do right here is to reduce this. I want to reduce this. It's looking bigger, so let's reduce that. So after that, I'm coming. Let me close the menu. Okay, come to my works, styling. I want to reduce this to 24, to 12, which is quite cool. Twenty to 12, which is quite cool. To 12. Just to ensure that it's responsive on all devices. So 12. I need to add some padding and modding here, some padding to this, padding of 10 pixel left and right. It's quite cool now. So we'll work on that. Something here, we have to ensure that this image is 100%. So what I'm going to do right now is to ensure that this image takes width and height of 100% and height of 100%. Yeah, which is quite cool. Yep. So we can see this. So let me preview it. You can see that here. So let me refresh this so that you can see, have a feel of what it looks like here too. So now we're working on the responsiveness. I think we'll have to work on the logo here. So let's come to, you can see that. Okay, I think we have to change some things in the margin and padding here, in the container there, because here it's taking a full weight of the container. So I think I'm going to work on that. So let me come to the container here. So the container here, padding of 20, padding here of 20, which is quite cool for this. You can see that. You can see that. Cool. Okay. Collection item. Let's decrease this to 10. Yep. 10. So now let's check on mm, you can see this looking is looking on somehow. So all we're going to do right now is to ensure that this bottom here, let me reduce it to 10. Yeah, I reduce that to 10. I'm going to be editing the block here and ensuring that it's just only one. So edit. Yep. So one FR, which is quite cool and making sense. You can see that it's making sense now. Making sense. You can see that. So this is it on phone. Let's reduce this image to. I want to reduce this. It's quite cool. So after reducing that, the next thing which you are going to be working on right now is the I have to make some changes here. So I'm going to edit the grid here too. So we are going to be editing the grid here. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see for ourselves. So you can see we have the name, we have the email address. Cool. So this button, let it stretch over, which is quite cool. You can see that. Cool. Then the last thing which I'm going to work on right now is this. This is also in a grid. So let's edit this grid. So in this grid now, we are deleting okay. In this grid now, I'm coming. Okay, in this grid, okay, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So in this grid, delete row. Okay, what I want to do in this grid now is to just change it to flex or block. Is that cool? No, flex. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Okay, you know what I'm going to do here? Let me come back to this place. Let me come back here. You're coming. Okay, that's one. So you delete everything and just leave one. So right now, we come here to the grid, and I'm going to be editing this. So we're going to be deleting this and leaving just one column. Yeah, one column done. So you can see that, which is quite cool now. Yeah. So we are done with the responsiveness now on our device. Just quite cool. So this is how it looks like on smaller phones. You can see that, which is cool and making sense. So this is our website here. Huh? So make sure you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and make sure that what you share with anyone who is ready to follow this challenge and ready to build a portfolio website. Thank you. Bye.